Many people ask me what kind of steamer we use. This is the brand that we use, and we bought it in Harbor Freight. Today in the morning I went to Harbor Freight to replace my previous steamer. We have always two, but one of them didn't work properly. And actually the steamer worked, but the problem was the hose. One of the wand escaped the vapor. So beside that, I already finished all my detail brushes, and because we bought the repair or replacement warranty, it's like $30 for 2 years on top of the price. I will be able to replace the steamer. So for me, that I use it a lot all the time, especially in new construction cleaning, it was worth it, the payment. So Sonia is taking out the new vapor steamer from the box. Just letting you know, this is the second or third video that I'm talking about this vapor steamer, but still people looking and wondering where we bought it. We are gonna remove from the box, and then we are gonna clean the floor. This is a new construction cleaning. This room is already done. All the blinds, all the baseboards, windows, they open the window, they clean the seal, doors, frame, remove paint, vacuum. All these areas are done. Some people say, oh, this new construction cleaning, nothing to worry about. No, it's a lot of dust. Make everything good for the new owners, and especially improve the indoor air quality, so no fine dust around. In this house we bring different type of equipment. Today we are using our commercial hoover, different type of attachments, brand new cobwebs I don't use for previous houses. This is a brand new, smell new, everything is good. What else? This is our other steamer, our previous steamer. I mentioned that we have two. This is the other one. Juan is removing the dust from the walls using the yellow cloth, the muslin, fine yellow cloth. In the meantime, I'm gonna tell you why people hire us. The house and the builders clean, looks clean. I don't know if you can see, let me do a zoom. People walk on the floor and it's not dust, sometimes it's about haze. So that's the reason why new owners hire us, to remove the haze. Right now we are doing the master shower, all the walls, removing the fine haze on the wall. There is a light here, let me see if I can show you some splashes. So the key is to use proper equipment, try to do it evenly, then rinse of course and dry.